Have you ever noticed that walking upstairs feels a little tougher than it used to? Or that bending down to pick something up takes just a bit more effort? That slow, silent loss of strength is something many people over 60 experience, but here's the truth: it doesn't have to be part of aging. While growing older is natural, losing vitality is not. And one of the easiest, most delicious ways to fight back is through something you probably already love: fruit. In this video, I'll share 5 powerful fruits that help prevent muscle loss, and the first one is probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Let's talk about avocados. They're not just creamy and delicious. They're packed with monounsaturated fats that fight inflammation, a major cause of age-related muscle loss. Avocados also contain more potassium per gram than bananas, helping your muscles contract smoothly and stay strong. Alongside magnesium, they support steady muscle function, prevent cramps, and even regulate your heartbeat. They're also rich in vitamin E, which protects your muscle cells from wear and tear, and full of fiber, about 10 grams per avocado, to support digestion and balance blood sugar. Research shows that older adults who eat more healthy fats, like those in avocados, have better mobility and a lower risk of frailty. And compounds like lutein, found in avocados, are linked to stronger muscles and better movement. Take Clara, for example, a lively 72-year-old who used to suffer from nightly leg cramp. Her daughter suggested she try half an avocado each day. Within weeks, her sleep improved and her walks felt easier. Now, it's her morning ritual: avocado on toast with sesame seeds and lemon. The beauty of avocado is how easy it is to add to your day. Slice it, mash it, or blend it into a smoothie with spinach and almond milk for a muscle-friendly start. Avocados aren't just a breakfast food. You can pair them with eggs, toss them into a salad, or even blend them into a rich, creamy chocolate pudding. Yes, dessert can be healthy too. And if you're watching your sugar or keeping an eye on your blood pressure, there's no need to worry. Avocados have 0 cholesterol, almost no sugar, and plenty of healthy fats that keep you full and energized, without the crash that comes from sugary snacks or energy bars. Now that we've added something smooth and nourishing to your routine, let's turn to something bold and bright: tart cherries. You know those mornings when your legs feel stiff before your feet hit the floor? Or those moments when your shoulders ache for no clear reason? That creeping soreness is often inflammation at work, and it becomes more common as we age. But nature has a solution. Tart cherries, not the sweet kind but their more sour cousins used in juice and dried form, are packed with anthocyanins, natural antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, muscle pain, and stiffness. Clinical studies show that athletes who drank tart cherry juice before and after workouts recovered faster and experienced less soreness. If it helps marathon runners, imagine what it can do for those of us just trying to stay active and pain-free. One study showed that runners who drank the juice for 7 days before a long race had less pain and recovered faster. Another study found it reduced muscle damage in older adults, without any side effect. And here's something more. Tart cherries naturally contain melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate sleep. Many seniors struggle with sleep, and a small glass of 100% tart cherry juice in the evening has been shown to improve sleep quality and duration. That's important because your body repairs muscle during rest. My neighbor Paul, who's 68, once said he felt like he was walking with cement legs every morning. He started drinking tart cherry juice after dinner, and within 2 weeks, he was waking up with more energy and less stiffness. He said, "It's like I gave my body permission to heal at night." Tart cherry is easy to add to your diet. The juice, when it's pure and unsweetened, is low on the glycemic scale and safe in small amounts, even for those managing blood sugar. If juice isn't your thing, try capsules or sprinkle dried tart cherries on your oatmeal or yogurt. Always talk to your doctor before starting anything new, but for most people, tart cherry is a safe and powerful tool for reducing soreness and supporting healthy aging. Let's talk about a fruit that's as beautiful as it is powerful: the pomegranate. Those small ruby red seeds might seem tiny, but they pack a serious punch when it comes to muscle health and strength, especially as we age. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your energy, support circulation, and protect your muscles from wear and tear, pomegranate could be your new favorite fruit. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants, especially polyphenol like punicalagin, which help reduce oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress causes muscle fatigue and aging. It's what makes you feel worn out even after light activity and slows your muscle recovery. By fighting this stress, pomegranates help preserve the health and function of your muscle fibers. What sets pomegranate apart is its ability to improve blood flow. It naturally increases nitric oxide production, which widens your blood vessels and improves circulation. Better circulation delivers more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, helping them perform better and heal faster. This is especially important for older adults, whose circulation tends to weaken with age. Studies show that older adults who took pomegranate extract before exercise had better endurance and less fatigue. Another study found that pomegranate reduced muscle soreness and sped recovery, even in people who weren't exercising vigorously. That's great news if you want to keep up with daily walks or chores around the house. If you've ever felt stiffness or tightness after inactivity, pomegranate's anti-inflammatory properties can help ease those sensations, making movement smoother. I remember my friend George, 74, who recently took up gardening again. He drinks a small glass of pomegranate juice before heading out and feels more energized, less sore, and even sleeps better. "It's like my muscles are happier," he said, laughing. Pomegranate also supports mitochondrial health, meaning it helps your cells make energy more efficiently. Think of mitochondria as tiny power plants inside your muscles. The better they work, the more strength and stamina you have for your day, whether playing with grandkids or cooking a big meal. And here's a bonus: you don't have to rely on juice alone. You can eat the seeds, called arils, sprinkle them on yogurt, toss them into salads, or blend them in smoothies. They're slightly tart, refreshing, and easy to enjoy. Just remember, moderation is key. While pomegranate juice is healthy, it can be concentrated in natural sugars. Stick to 100% pure juice without added sugar and limit yourself to 4 to 6 ounces a day, or choose whole seeds for extra fiber and antioxidant. Prunes are often underestimated but hold amazing power for muscle health as we age. Scientists found polyphenol in prunes can activate a hormone called IGF, one which helps build and maintain muscle fibers. Studies showed prune extracts increased muscle cell size and boosted protein synthesis, vital for repair and strength. So prunes can slow muscle loss and even help grow new strength after 60. They're also rich in boron, a mineral essential for muscle and bone health, helping use calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D better. Plus, prunes have lots of soluble fiber which supports digestion, regulates blood sugar and cholesterol, giving steady energy all day. My Aunt Helen was skeptical, but after a month of eating 5 prunes daily, she felt less achy on her walks, saying it was like oiling the hinges. Prunes are easy to enjoy. Snack on them, add to oatmeal or smoothies, or make energy balls. They're naturally sweet without spiking sugar, low glycemic, and safe for diabetics in moderation. Next is apple, a childhood favorite, but its peel has ursolic acid, a powerful compound that stimulates muscle growth and reduces breakdown. Animal studies showed it increases muscle mass and prevents wasting. Early human research is promising too. Ursolic acid boosts IGF-1 and lowers myostatin, which stops muscle growth. Less myostatin means more muscle strength. Apples also have quercetin, an antioxidant that supports mitochondria, helping cells make energy efficiently. Strong mitochondria mean better muscle function, faster recovery, and longer endurance, so you stay active without fatigue. Apples also have lots of fiber, especially soluble fiber, which benefits overall health. Apples are one of the most familiar and beloved fruits, But did you know they hold incredible benefits for your muscle health, especially as you grow older? The true magic lies in the apple's peel, which contains a powerful compound called uralic acid. This natural plant nutrient has been studied extensively and is shown to help stimulate muscle growth while reducing the breakdown of muscle tissue. It does this by increasing levels of IGF-1, a hormone that encourages your body to build and repair muscle fibers. This is crucial as we age because maintaining muscle strength helps us stay independent and active. Beyond uralic acid, apples are rich in quercetin, a strong antioxidant that supports mitochondrial health. Think of mitochondria as tiny power plants inside your muscle cells, producing the energy you need to move, exercise, and recover. The healthier your mitochondria, the better your muscles perform, recover faster, and resist fatigue. This means you can enjoy your daily activities with more stamina and less tiredness. And don't forget about the peel. That's where most of the fiber, specifically pectin, is found. Pectin is a soluble fiber that helps regulate blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and promote a healthy gut. A healthy digestive system means your body absorbs nutrients more efficiently, delivering essential vitamins, minerals, and proteins to your muscles, helping them thrive. I remember chatting with Mr. David, who is 79 years old and still does light yard work every morning. He told me he always eats an apple with the peel on. "It keeps me regular, keeps me moving, and keeps me young," he said with a wink. His story is a great reminder that small, simple habits can have a big impact over time. To get the most from apples, eat them whole with the peel on. If you can, choose organic apples and wash them thoroughly. You can slice them into oatmeal, dip them in almond butter, or simply enjoy them as a mid-morning snack. Despite their sweetness, apples have a low glycemic index, so they won't cause large spikes in blood sugar, especially when eaten with fiber or protein. Research even shows that uralic acid may help reduce fat accumulation and improve glucose tolerance, both important for healthy aging. So apples aren't just delicious, they're a smart, accessible way to support muscle strength, energy, and overall vitality as we age. An apple a day might really do more than just keep the doctor away. It might help keep your muscles strong and your body moving with ease.